SRPT is down a massive 36.3%. This is Monday, the 3rd of November, 2025, post market session. Yes, the company disclosed that a late stage study um, testing two gene targeted therapies for DMD did not meet main goal. Yeah, that may be the reason why it has gone on to print this intraday low of $14.8. Before now, the low was around 17.08, but before all of that, it printed an intraday high of $25.7. So the question is, what is left now? What options are available? What options are still on the table for the company? Well, the company is not without pathways forward. Okay, so the company can take advantage of the consistent safety profile in certain populations to secure label expansion or approvals in narrower subpopulations. In this case, it will be younger ambulatory patients. You can also refocus on earlier stage and diversified pipeline as well. The LGMD2E/R4 program, the siRNA assets, they might become more central to value creation. And also, diversification may lessen reliance on this single DMD gene therapy outcome as well. So, real world evidence and long term follow ups. So, if commercial use or open label extension studies show durability of benefit, that data can bolster confidence and perhaps support future filings or label expansions. Um, Partnering or reacquisition for specific indications. So the company might seek partners or become a partner target for specific rare disease indications, leveraging its commercial infrastructure and manufacturing while offloading risk. Okay, so cost slash operational restructuring is something they can also take up. So for investors, the company, one people have to just manage their asset stream outlook or reset expectations, focus on upside from other programs, monitor upcoming readouts from LGMD, siRNA, label expansion, etc., which may provide new catalysts. And watch for regulatory clarity, key upcoming regulatory decisions will influence the risk or reward. Okay, so what's to watch? What does one have to look out for? Okay, so whether the company obtains FDA/EMA feedback indicating that the embark means will not block label expansion or regulatory acceptance of their data package. Okay, that's another key thing. So it's not totally completely lost. Everything is not lost completely. It's just this is the usual reaction you get when there's any unfavorable, any disappointment. So the next major readouts in other programs, LGMD, etc., success there or here, or in these cases, could reignite the valuation story. Okay, so commercial uptake of Elevidis in the approved cohorts, that is ambulatory children. If real world uptake and early benefits are favorable, that can salvage some narrative. Okay, any restructuring announcements, cost cuts, strategic partnerships which signal how management is responding. Okay, acquirer interest, whether companies still consider the company viable despite the setback, or if this raises red flags. So a couple of things you see all of these things I've just read out in the description box below. Okay, so lower prices are expected to keep playing out up till sometime in November. Okay, projections are currently saying, let's see, upper projections 25.89, 27.07, 27.81. Okay, let's see now. Let's have a look and see what's going on. How many shares have crossed the tape? Yeah, 14.91 million. Okay. Let's have a look. There was a time the company had that this disappointment. Let's see. There was a time it had a disappointment. Let's see what happened then. Yeah. Okay. This was in elevate when that was that the case where they had that problem with elevators. Yeah, it plunged. Let's see now. It plunged from 21.98 and continued to print. Let's see now. It was on the 18th of July. Yeah, I went into a weekend, 18th of July. I think somebody died or something like that. So one, two, this is when continued to print for 5 trading sessions. Continued to print lower prices for 5 trading sessions and then bounced and yeah, bounced from yeah. Some news came out, some positive news came out, bounced from the 28th and remain in place up till the 15th of August. So that was, yeah, well, at various times it was declining as well. At least on 2 occasions it declined, or 3 occasions it declined. So over the next 2 weeks it rallied. So let's see how it goes this time around. Let's see how it goes this time around. And for some reason, the algos got this one right. It was saying that lower prices will continue to print for how many days? Let's see, one. Yeah, from okay, yeah, one. Is that it? Well, let's just say it's a sideways movement. Okay, but let's count it anyway. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, it's just doing just doing pretty much the same thing that happened over there. 5 trading sessions. No, actually more than that. It's saying that maybe from the 17th of November it may begin to pick up. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. I'll keep on updating you. Thank you very much for watching this video.